This is Nathan, Mike Thompson's RVs. We're here today looking at the Shockwave 3300. On the Shockwave here, we're going to have a large underspace storage pass through from the front side to the front of the trailer, as well as dual 30-gallon propane tanks. We have the Ripper Lino Box fifth wheel hookup on the front, electric landing gear control on the front and the back. It's going to come with the NPS 6000 generator from Yamaha with the inverter technology installed. Going to have on-demand variable speed power, pure sine wave invert technology for cleaner, safer, and more stable power, 3-year, 2,000-hour warranty, wireless remote start with key fob, as well as integrated pull start in case you run out of batteries. The Shockwave comes with a tankless water heater. Shockwave also comes with a 40-gallon fuel station to fill up all your toys while you're out in the desert. You also notice if you come in the trailer here, you got the upgraded solid steps as well as the upgraded grab handle to come in. As we come into the Shockwave here, you'll notice you have 19.5 feet of cargo space as well as 80 inches wide to fit all your desert toys, dirt bikes, razors, Can-Ams, anything you need. You also come with 2 captain's chairs, fully reclinable and pivotable. You'll have the lift suite system in the back here with the top bed and the bottom dinette bed combo. The dovetail rear for a lower entry point for your toys. You'll have the slide-out entertainment system with a 55-inch flat-screen smart TV. We also have a 40-inch fireplace with a 5,000 BTU electric furnace. Also come with a Bluetooth JBL speaker system. As we work up here, we have the Furrion electronics package. You'll have the 1.5 cubic foot convention microwave as well as a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt residential style refrigerator. You also have a 3-burner Furrion gas stove, as well as plenty of space to keep all your pots, pans, and other cooking accessories. You notice in the cargo space we have 15 tie-down points to keep all your toys secure throughout your ride. You have your centralized control unit for all your controls, all your tank readings, inverter readings, AC control. You have a residential style bathroom with a large shower with a privacy screen door. In the bedroom here, we'll have a cabinet space, so we'll have a slide-out dresser, his and hers nightstands, as well as a king-size bed with under-bed storage. In the front, you'll have a 15,000 BTU air conditioning, and in the main space, you'll have an 18,000 BTU chill cube air conditioning unit. Also comes with the rear patio package, as well as the rear awning. Any more questions? Call me at Mike Thompson's RV. My name is Nathan. I can help you with all your toy hauler needs. Thank you for watching.